Really bad news, people. My computer may have crashed. The computer I'm using right now to try and tell you this is my laptop. It's my desktop computer that's actually crashed. It's an early morning and I'm not really able to think of stuff to say, but the bad news for you is that I won't really be able to upload files until then. The problem being my computer, which I use to make my videos, to record them. Apparently, Movie Maker has gotten horribly wrong on that one, so I'd have to use my desktop. Problem is, my desktop is crashed, so kind of stuck in this dilemma until then. Have to wait till later, I guess.